Hello, my name is Beth Ann Stone with the Los Medanos College Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness. This video will provide you with an introduction and brief instructions on how to access eLumen to complete your Administrative Units Program Review Year 5 update. To start with, you want to open up your internet browser, preferably Google Chrome, and navigate to www.losmedanos.edu. Once at the college's homepage, click on the A through Z index list of topics in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Select P for Program Review. Scrolling down the list of P items till you see the Program Review link. Click on that link, and this will navigate you to the college's Program Review webpage. First, I'm going to navigate you to the Year 5 Update Process webpage so you can download your Administrative Units Program Review Year 5 Update Guide for eLumen. Using the scroll bar, scroll down until you see the heading Program Review Year 5 Update 2021-2022. You want to click on the first bullet link labeled Process, and this will take you to the process for Program Review Year 5 Update in eLumen. Please note this is the process webpage, so training videos such as this one, as well as the link to access eLumen, Program Review Unit list, and guides are located on this webpage. We're going to download the Administrative Units eLumen Guide, which is the first bullet you will see. Click on this link, and it will open up to a PDF of the guide to eLumen. Now, I understand the guide is quite lengthy. However, it does provide screenshots step by step of how to complete your Program Review Year 5 update in eLumen. So please note the length is primarily due to the number of screenshots in an effort to provide step-by-step support. Use the downward arrow button to download this. It's recommended that you download it to your desktop, as you will need to access it and utilize it quite frequently while completing your program review. Once you have downloaded it, use your internet browser's back arrow button to navigate back to the Program Review Year 5 Update Process webpage. As noted in the guide, there are a couple materials you'll need to gather and have access to while you're completing your program review. One of those items is your Year 3 update for program review that was completed in 2019-2020. To access and download your report from that program review, using the left navigation bar, click on Program Review. This will navigate you back to the college's Program Review webpage. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side, scroll down until you see the header Program Review Year 3 Update 2019-2020. Click on the second bullet that is labeled Reports, and here you will find all the reports for all the programs and units at Los Medanos College that submitted a Program Review Year 3 update. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen, scroll down until you see the header Individual Program Reports. You will see 3 drop-down boxes. The first labeled Administrative. Here's where you'll find your Administrative Units Program Review Year 3 Update Report. By clicking on the drop-down, a table will appear with a list of the administrative units. Scroll down until you see yours. And for the purpose of this video, we'll use my office, the Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness. I've located that unit. I'm going to go to the far right column to the link labeled Report with a PDF icon next to it. I'm going to click on this, and it will open up a PDF of my completed Year 3 Update Report. You want to download this using the download arrow button in the right top corner of your screen. Preferably download it to your desktop, as you will need to access this quite frequently while completing your Year 5 update for program review. Once you have downloaded it, use your internet browser's back arrow button to navigate you back to the Program Review Year 3 update page. Now that we've downloaded our guide, another material you're going to have access to while completing your Year 5 update in eLumen is Tableau. I will briefly show you how to access the information for Tableau and the instructional videos that are available for installing and connecting to the VPN. Please note you will need to have VPN installed and be successfully able to connect to it in order to access Tableau. To do so, using the left navigation bar, click on the link that says Data Dashboard and Data Coaches. This will navigate you to the Data Dashboard webpage. Here you will find information on the various Tableaus that are available, and for information on how to install and connect to your VPN, as well as instructions on accessing Tableau. You want to navigate to the header that says Data Dashboard Tableau and click on the drop-down box labeled General Information. This will open up with various instructions on different Tableau dashboards, as well as data definitions. Then you will find the link to install VPN and connect to VPN. There are also videos included on how to access Tableau via Insight and how to access Tableau via LMC website. Please note there will be trainings made available specifically on how to utilize the data in completing your program review. However, this video is just the instructions on how to access and complete your program review. Now we are ready to access eLumen and start our program review. Using the left navigation bar, click on Program Review. This will navigate you back to the college's program review webpage, and we're going to go to the Year 5 Update Process webpage. By scrolling down to the header Program Review Year 5 Update and click on the first bullet link labeled The Process. The first link that appears on the Program Review Year 5 Update Process webpage is the link to eLumen itself. Click on this link, and it's going to prompt you to log in utilizing your Insight credentials. Now, once you've logged in, you are now in eLumen. You'll see your name at the top of the screen and a little box that will drop down with your various roles for eLumen. Please be sure this box is labeled Department Coordinator for the purpose of completing your program review in eLumen. Next, you'll see another drop-down box, and this is labeled with the programs or units that you have the role of Department Coordinator for. Again, for the purpose of this video, we'll use my office, the Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness. After you made sure your role is accurate and your program or unit you're completing the program review for is accurate, please make sure the Strategic Planning button is grayed out or highlighted, and then you're going to want to click on Initiatives. The self-populated drop-down box is labeled Accreditation Self-Study. You want to click on this and select Program Review. Once you've done that, using the right-hand scroll bar, scroll down to the table where you will see your Administrative Program Review Year 5 Update template labeled with your office. Please click on this link and not the checkbox. The link will take you to your template so you can complete it. The checkbox does not provide you with that option. Once you click on this link, your Year 5 Update template will appear and you are ready to start the first section of your program review. Please view the next video labeled Administrative Units, Program Review Year 5 Update, Section 1.